Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at another major player in the banking world, Wells Fargo. Whether you're a first-time customer or have been with them for years, this review will give you a clear picture of the pros and cons of banking with Wells Fargo. We'll start by highlighting the benefits of using Wells Fargo, followed by some of the downsides, and finally, I'll give it an overall score out of 10. So let's jump in and see if Wells Fargo is the right bank for you. Advantages. First good point. Large network of branches and ATMs. One of the biggest strengths of Wells Fargo is its extensive network. With more than 4,500 branches and 12,000 ATMs across the U.S., you'll rarely struggle to find a location near you. This makes it easy to access in-person banking services or withdraw cash without worrying about fees at out-of-network ATMs. Second good point. Comprehensive financial services. Wells Fargo offers a wide range of financial products, from basic checking and savings accounts to mortgages, personal loans, and even investment services. If you're someone who likes to keep all your financial products in one place, Wells Fargo makes it possible with its all-in-one approach. You can manage your everyday banking alongside larger financial goals like home ownership or retirement planning. Third good point. Feature-rich mobile app. Their mobile app is intuitive and packed with useful features. From depositing checks to paying bills, transferring money, and even tracking your spending habits, the app offers great functionality. Wells Fargo's app also supports Zelle for quick person-to-person payments, which adds to the convenience for users who prefer mobile banking. Fourth good point. Focus on security. Wells Fargo takes security seriously. Their accounts come with fraud monitoring, secure logins including biometric authentication, and card-free ATM access using their app. They've also ramped up efforts to ensure customers are protected against fraud, and the bank's zero liability protection on unauthorized transactions is a big plus for peace of mind. Disadvantages. First drawback. History of scandals and trust issues. One of the major downsides of Wells Fargo is its troubled history. Over the years, Wells Fargo has faced several high-profile scandals, including the creation of fake accounts without customer consent. While they've taken steps to rebuild trust, some customers may still be wary of the bank due to its past. This reputation issue might be a significant factor for those who prioritize transparency and trust in their bank. Second drawback. High fees on checking accounts. Similar to other large banks, Wells Fargo's checking accounts can come with monthly fees if you don't meet the minimum balance or direct deposit requirements. These fees can range from $10 to $35, depending on the account type. While there are ways to avoid them, such as maintaining a certain balance, it might not be ideal for customers looking for fee-free banking. Third drawback. Low interest rates on savings accounts. Wells Fargo's savings account interest rates are notably lower than many online banks. If growing your savings is a priority for you, you might find better rates elsewhere, especially with online banks that offer much higher APYs. This makes Wells Fargo less competitive for those looking to maximize their savings. Fourth drawback. Overdraft fees. Wells Fargo has a reputation for high overdraft fees, which are currently around $35 per overdraft item. Although they've introduced some options to reduce overdraft fees, it's still something to watch out for. Customers who tend to overdraw their accounts might want to look for alternatives with more lenient overdraft policies. Final rating. So after considering both the advantages and disadvantages, where does Wells Fargo stand? I'd give Wells Fargo a 7 out of 10. Their wide network, comprehensive services, and user-friendly mobile app are big advantages. But the high fees, low interest rates, and trust issues from past scandals bring their score down. If you value convenience and a full suite of financial services, Wells Fargo could be a solid option. But if fees and transparency are major concerns for you, there might be better choices out there.